Now we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims grand test 40 for quantitative aptitude. So we'll go for the questions. Let's see the 41st question. This is the first question. So what was the data they are given? Directions 41 to 45 based on the line graph. The following graph shows the call drops in the last 6 months for the three companies Airtel, Jio, Vodafone in Basta district from the Chhattisgarh. Study the line graph carefully and answer the questions. Whatever the answers we require, we have to take the data from this line graph. So they are given a 333 networks call drops in a particular months. July, August, September, October, November, December. Overall, 6 months are there. So for this, first of all, we solve the such a calculations to solve a questions. So and already we know that as per the data, Airtel is blue color, Jio is orange color, and Vodafone is white color. And we need a such a questions answers. For that, we require the such a data of the every month how many number of call drops are there. So here July. In July month, how many call drops are there? Here is we should add it totally. Then 1555, 1440, 1275. This is we should add it. 1500, 1400, 1200. It is a 4100 and 55 plus 75. It is equal to 130. 130 plus 40, 170. 170 plus 1470. It is 4270. This is a July month. All the three networks call drops. And next August purpose we should add it again. It is a 1350 and 1550 1350 it is equal to 15 plus 13 28 extra 100 2900 2900 added to 1475 it is 4375. And next month is September. In a September month, all are we can add it 1600 plus 1500 3100 3100 and 1200 4300 4300 extra 85. And next here the October. And October wise we should add it all the numbers 1500 and 1300 2800 2800 plus 1200 it is a 4000 and extra we should add it 80 plus 50 130 130 plus 95 so 225 it is 4225. And next month is November. So 1450, 1380 and 1270. Look at 1400 and 1300, 2700, 2700 plus 1200, 3900. So kept that 3900. 50 plus 80, 130, 130 plus 70. It is a 200, 200 added to 3900. It is a 4100. And next December. So December we should add it all the values 1535 and 1450 and 1380. First of all, we'll go with the 100 base 1500 and 1400, 2900, 2900, 1300. So 4200 and extra we should add it remaining 4200. 80 plus 50, 130, 130 plus 35. It is 80 plus 50, 130, 130 plus 35, 165. So 165 added 4265. This is the total data of 15, 14, 13. It is a 70 and 12. It is a 430. 4365. Now it is a total call drops in every month of total values. Here the network size. Look at the first question. So without these data we can't solve the questions. Of course such a simplification is more but it is required mandatory wise. So solve the question. Which month saw the second highest number of call drops? All three services provided combined and by how much percentage? Look at all three services provided. All three services combined. That's why I added all the three terms. By how much percentage was it lower than the highest number of call drops in a month? So second highest value is 4375. This 4375 is how many call drops comparing to highest one 4385. How many drops? 10 drops. So 10 drops by here comparing to 4385 we need percentage multiply with 100. Then this is belongs to August month. August month is contain only two options and when you are solving this 43800 by in this we need the 10 value almost it is equal to 0.2 percentage. Then our option is what is the option? Our option is it is a option. So first option for the 41 question, August 0.25 percentage. This is the value we should calculate 10 by 4385 into 100. Then go for the next question for the same data wise. Look at what is the ratio of total number of call drops July to November. So what is the ratio? July to November. July to November means July value is 4270, November is 4100. Here the 00 will be cancelled. 427 and 410 both are not cancelled. Here is our answer is A answer. So option A is the answer for the 42. 427 and 410. 427 and 4100. Here the 00 will be cancelled. Our answer is 427 and 410. 427 and 410. Next question. Which service provided and in which month saw the greatest percentage decline in the number of call drops? In comparing to previous months, then which month is call drops are more? Here look at Airtel in August. Airtel in August means Airtel is belongs to blue color. It is not call drops 1555 and 1475. And look at how many call drops are there. We'll observe all the option. Airtel in November. Look at here Airtel in November. Airtel value is blue color in November 1275 comparing to 1395. It is also not less. And look at here Vodafone in October. Vodafone value is equal to 1250 and 1500. Comparing to 1500, 1250 is 250 is more comparing to remaining value. Then our option is here C option. The C option is the answer for the 40th question. You can observe the remaining options also, but Vodafone October is the perfect answer for this question. Next one. So 44th. In the next month, January, the number of call drops for Jio was 5% less than the average of previous 6 months. What was the approximate number of call drops for Jio in January? So in the next month of January, so till now they are given a December. Now we are entered to New Year, January. The number of call drops are 5% less than the average of all the 6 months of Jio purpose. Jio network value is required. Jio is belongs to orange color. Orange color, all the values we should add it. 1400 and look at here 1550 and 1450. It is equal to 33,000. The 3000 added to here is 30 plus 14. It is a 44 plus 16 60 plus 15 it is a 75 plus 15 90. So it till now we got 9000 extra, but extra values we should add it. Here is a 40, this is for Jio, it is 40 and 40 plus 80 120 plus 35 155. So by 6, why we are applying by 6? This question number is 44. So 19 because we need average. In this for the January month purpose 5% less. 5% less means which is equal to how much percentage? 95%. This is a 95% of 9155 by 6. Then approximately what is the number we should calculate here? So here is 95%. Cancel the number 6 1 ja. So 6 1 ja here 6 and remaining value is 31. So 6 5 ja 30 and remaining is 6 2 ja 12 and 6 5s are here. So approximately I am calculating 1525. This 1525, this is multiplied by 95%. Otherwise from 9155 it is a 1525. In 1525 we'll take a 5% value. 10% value is 150. 5% is value 75. 75 is removing. This value is 1525 is average. From this we are removing a 75. So why? Because 95% we required. 1525 is belongs to 100%. From 100%, 5% value is approximately I am taking 75 because they are asking for the approximate, and 75 is removing from the 1525. You will get 1450. Then our option is D 1450. And go for the next question. And so what is the total call drops in August and October together? August and October call drops together. This is August and October. 4375 and 4225. 4000, 4000, 8000. Of course, all option is belongs to 8000. 375 and 225. It is a 600. 8600 is our option. So go for the next one. Here they are given here the directions. Till now we completed the DI 46 to 51. And they are given a number series. Find the wrong term in the given series. We should calculate for wrong term in the given series. How to calculate? 256, 250, 244, 320, 228, 196, 132. We'll go for the differences here. So here is a 6 difference. Here is a 6 difference. here is minus 6 and here is also minus 6, and 244 and 228, how much difference here? Here 16 difference, and here the difference is 32, and here the difference is 64. Here 64, here 32, here 16 means half of the values are decreasing. It should be 8, it should be 4. That means our wrong number is 250. 256 minus 4, it is equal to 252. From 252 minus 8 will be removing, you will get 244. That means our answer is 250. And go for the next question. Here 2 3 7 5 15 31. Here is, look at, a number is doubled and multiplied to the extra one, that is answer. 15 into 2 plus 1, 15 into 2 plus 1 31, 7 into 2 plus 1 15, 3 into 2 plus 1 7, and what is the number you should add it? Here is into 2 plus 1 means we are getting a 5, but here is into 2 plus 1 purpose, here is what is the number is required? 1 is required. Then our option is, what is the wrong number in the series? First number is the wrong answer, that is our option is A. And next one, this is also very easy. Here 325 and 256, by observe the numbers, you can easily say, here is 1 to the power of 1, and it is 2 to the power of 2, it is a 3 to the power of 3, it is a 4 to the power of 4, it should be 5 to the power of 5. So 5 to the power of 5, 5 to the power of 5 value 3125, it is not 3225, then first number is the wrong answer. And next series, 1000 half value 500, 500 half value 250, 250 half value 125, 125 half value 625, and 62.5 half value 31.25, not 33.25. Our wrong answer is B. And next 1 8 9 44 and 25, it is equal to 2 1 square, and it is 2 cube, and it is 3 square, and it is 4 cube, and it is 5 square. 4 cube answer should be 64, not is 44. Our answer is 44 is the wrong number. And next 0 7 26 63 126. If you are perfect about cube, its answer is very easy. It is 5 cube plus 1, and it is 4 cube plus 1, and it is, sorry, it is minus 1, and it is 3 cube minus 1, it is 2 cube minus 1, it is 1 cube minus 1. Here is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, but only the plus 1, that is the answer is 126 is the wrong answer. It is not following the our whatever the series is following. Next question, we have a directions 52 to 56 based on the inequality questions, nothing but it is a quadratic equation. X square minus 12x minus 160 is equal 0. We need 160 here. So find out the factors of 160. Minus 160, we can write 16 into 10, but we need, what is the number? 12. For 12 purpose, which are the numbers we are multiplied? 28 ja 160, but we need 12 minus 12 plus 8, and from this we can write a final factors 20 comma minus 8. These are the final factors, and 165 for the second equation, 15 11 ja 165, 15 plus 11 minus 26, and we need minus, then final factors are 15 comma 11. So comparing to, here is 20, 15 comma 11, and both are smaller, and minus 8, it is a less than 1, less than 1 greater than means our option is what? Cannot be determined. And next question, x plus 3 by 2x is equal 5 2. It is looking like a linear equation, but it is not linear equation, so we should solve like a equation based. Then equation both side, x plus 3 by 2x is equal to 5 2. This totally equation I am multiplying with 2x, 2x into x, 2x square, so it is a plus 3, and it is a 2 2 will be cancelled, you will get 5x, the 5x it comes, it is a minus 5x plus 3 is equal 0. Now minus 5, it is a 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The 6 factors are required. 6 factors are what? So 3 into 2, so 3 into 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 3 into 6 minus 3 minus 2, and divide with 2. Initially what was the number is multiplied, that's you can divide it. Then final factors are, minus plus is always giving a positive factor, and it is so 1.5 comma 1. And coming to the next factor, root y minus 3 root 5 here, so root y minus is equal 0. Here we'll get y is equal to 3. This how you get This minus value comes plus value. Root y into root y is equal to y is equal to 3. Comparing to 3, 1.5 and both are smaller, then our answer is what? X less than y. Check the option here, first option. Go for the next one. 4x square plus 17x plus 15 is equal to 0. 4 15s are here. 4 50s are 60. 60 factors are required. 23s are is 60, but 20 minus 3, but we need plus 17. That's why we are applying 12 5s are. So 12 5s are and divide with 4. What was the number multiplied initially? That is, we can divide it. Then final factors are negative factors. So 12 by 4 is minus 3 and minus 5 by 4. Next, 328. So 328 ja 84 and we can write 19 answer. For that we can write 12 7 ja 12 7 ja 84, 12 plus 7 is 19 and divide with 3. Here is also we are getting a negative factors. And here is we can compare it. Minus 3 minus 4, which is a bigger? So minus 3 is a bigger. And here is minus 3 and minus 7 by 3 is 3 3s are 9. Minus 7 is a bigger. Then 1 less than 1 greater than means our answer is cannot be determined. No need to go for the remaining comparisons. And next, 14x square minus 79x minus 78. I'm not going to multiplying these two values. So I'm writing directly 14 into 78, but 78 is contain negative, that I am writing directly. Here I am writing 2 into 3, sorry, 2 into 7. And 78 we can write 39 2s are, then 3 into 13 into 2s are, 13 3s are 39, 39 2s are 78. So we'll match the value. Minus 79 is required. How to value it? 13 7s are is 91, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 13 7s are and 3 into 3. Then final factors are, here is 91, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 91 minus 12 value minus 79. Here is minus and plus. Then what was the number is multiplied initially, that is you can divide it. And finally factors are, so 91 by 14 comma minus 12 by 14, and go for the next equation as it is. And 291 value is 182. This 182 we have to separate the values to writing a minus 27. Here is 2 into 91. This 91 also we can write 7 into 13. 7 2s are 14. That means 14 comma 13. 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. 14 13s are 182. Minus minus. What was the number initially multiplied to getting a 182? That is again divided. Then final factors are, so here 7 comma 13 by 2. Here look at comparing to the negative. Here positive will be always bigger. And comparing to here, then 14 7s are 98. 98 is bigger than the 91. This is the value. And here is also 91 14 13s are, it is a bigger. Then finally our answer is x less than y. Our option is first option. Go for the next one. Here is also I am not going to multiplying here. 6 into 77 and minus 6 7s are 42. 42 comma 11 I am writing. 42 into 11 is equal to 6 into 77. 42 minus 11 is equal to 31. This is a plus and minus. And what was the number is multiplied initially to getting this result? Again I am dividing. The answer is minus 7 and 11 by 6. The sign will be going to changes. 3 into 21, it is a 63, and 7 9 is 63. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Minus minus and divide with 3. And final factors are 7 by 3 comma 9 by 3. That is also we can write 3. And comparing the values here, which is a bigger, and here the bigger, here the bigger. Comparing to negative, positive values always bigger. And 3 into 11 33, 6 7 is 42, it is a bigger. And next 6 3 is 18, it is a bigger. Then less than less than less than, all are less than means our option is x less than y. And next we have a data for the 57 to 61. The below graph gives the average speed of 8 trains then travel on 8 different routes. All the given speeds are in multiples of 5 km per hour. Look at here, the all are the multiples of 5 and 60 75 are the speeds in Dehradun to Rajkot, Delhi to Chennai, Jammu to Ajmer. They are given as such a distance values. What was the speeds maintained? It's not distance, it's the speeds. And coming to the questions, speeds of the train is a blue color. And look at the question. To solve the answers, directly we'll solve the question. The distance between a Mumbai and Jaipur is 112. Starting with Mumbai means the speed is maintained by Mumbai. Then 1120 kilometers going by 70 kilometer per hour. It will be take 16 hours. The train got delayed by 4 hours. Regularly it is take, So 20 hours. So what is the percentage of reduction in the speed of the train on that day? The train got delayed by 4 hours. That means regularly it will take how many hours? So regularly the train got delayed by 4 hours. The distance between 112 kilometer. One day the train got delayed by 4 hours. Then what is the percentage? Look at, normally it is going 16 hours. One day got delayed means it is a 20 hours. Then here what is the percentage reduction speed of the train on that day? Particularly train. This is belongs to timings. The timings ratio is 16 is to 20. Then speeds ratio is 20 is to 16. Then when it is going 20 hours, it is speed is 16. When it is going for 16 hours, it is going by 20. Then how much speed is reduced? Then 4 reduced, 20 to 16, 4 reduced by 20. We need percentage multiply with 100. 4 by 20 is equal to 5 and 100 by 5 is equal to how much percentage? 25% is reduced. And next, question 58. If the train running between Delhi and Chennai increased its speed by 16%, normal speed is 100 percentage. Now it is become a 116 percentage. This is the speeds ratio. Speeds ratio we can write it to, so times ratio, it is 116 and 110. Here is how many parts reduced? How many parts reduced? 16 parts of the time is reduced. 16 parts is equal to 4 hours. When coming to the 100 percentage original distance, its original speed is giving original distance, and 116 parts to 100 parts, 16 parts is time is reduced. 16 parts is equal to 4 hours reduced. So 16 it is divided by 4. So here is also we are dividing 4 to getting a original. So original timing 116 by 4, it is equal to 29 hours. 29 hours normally it is going by what is the speed? Then they are asking for Delhi and Chennai. Delhi and Chennai, what is the speed here? 75. 29 into 75. That's we should multiply to getting an answer. So 75 20 is a 1500, 75 9 is a, otherwise 75 30 is a. So we should multiply. Our option is 2175 is the answer. And go for the next question. So if the ratio of distance of Lucknow and Indore, Jammu and Ajmer routes is 17 is to 20, so distance is there given. What is the ratio of the time taken? Then distance by speed apply, will getting a here timings 17 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and we'll apply distance by speed directly. We can apply Lucknow to Indore. Lucknow to Indore, it is maintaining 85 speed, and Jammu to Ashmere, so what is the speed is maintaining? 80. We'll cancel the numbers. 17 5 and 24 and ratio is 4 is to 5. Option C. And go for the next one. The Kolkata Bangalore train takes thrice the time taken by Patna Kanpur train. Thrice. Then if the distance between Kolkata and Bangalore is 1500 km more than the distance Patna and Kanpur, what is the time taken by Patna Kanpur train to reach its destination? So Kolkata Bangalore train takes thrice the time taken by Patna. Here ratio is 3 is to 1. So thrice time. So we'll apply the speeds also. Speed into time is equal to distance. So here first one, Kolkata Bangalore. Kolkata Bangalore speed is 65. 65 into 3. Then it is a time 3 parts and it is a speed. Both are multiplied, will get a distance. And next, your next one is distance between Kolkata and Bangalore. Kolkata and Bangalore is what? 60. Kolkata and Bangalore thrice the time taken by Patna and Kanpur. Patna and Kanpur 45. And cancel the numbers. 3 15 and 5 3 and 5 13 ratio is, what is the ratio? 13 is to 3. 13 is to 3 is equal, it is a 10 parts. Here is 13 kilometers, here is the 3 parts of the kilometers. Then 13 to 3, how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts is equal to 1500 kilometers more. 13 and 3, 10 is a more. 10 parts is equal to 1500 kilometers more. Then what is the time taken by Patna Kanpur train to reach its destination? Patna Kanpur reach its destination. Then how to calculate? 1500 by, so here we'll apply the, what was the original distance? 10 parts is equal to, so 1500, one part is equal to 150, then 3 parts is equal to 450. This 450 purpose, it's going by, what is the speed? Patna and Kanpur, it is going by 45 km per hour. Then we'll get 10 hours journey totally. Then our option is First option A. And next question. The sum of the distance of Nagpur, Pune and Dehradun Rajkot routes is 2200 kilometers if the later train takes twice the time taken by the former train. So reach its destination. So later train take former train means former train is takes 1 and 2. 1 into 2. If the later train takes twice the time taken by the former train. Here is later train take 2 hours means former train in 1 hour. And first, the sum of the distance Nagpur Pune. Nagpur Pune, what is the speed here? So 80 into 1, and what I am doing, speed into time apply, will get a distance. And next one, Dehradun to Rajkot, it is a 60. 62 is a 120. Other you can go with this also, 80 and 120, 40 will be multiplied. It is a 2:3 ratio. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 parts. The 5 parts is equal to 2200 kilometers. And if the, what is the question here, what is the distance between the Nagpur and Pune? We need the distance. Nagpur and Pune, 5 parts is equal to 220, 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 540, then 5 parts is equal to 2200 and 2 parts is equal to 80 kilometers. Then our option is B. Approximation based question is 62 30, not approximation, simplification based question. 33 1 by 3 percentage of 63 minus 625, this is the overall question is there. We'll simplify the answer. 33 1 by 3 percentage, we can write 1 by 3 of 63 value 21 minus 625 plus 25 percentage of 484 of value 242 of value is 121 plus 852 minus 16. And here is positive one side and negative one side. 625 minus 16, 641, and 21 plus 121, 142. 142 added to 852, 994. From 994, 641 will be removed and we'll get answer is 353. Go for the next one. 512 percentage of 50 of 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 will simplify, you will get 9 by 4. 4 2 is 8 and plus 1. And 50 percentage of 512, it is equal to 256. I'm taking 50 percentage of 512 plus 3 4 6 8 9 minus 1528 divided by 8. 8 can be multiplied. Here I am dividing 1528 by 8 plus 18. Third root of 5832 value is 18. Cancel the numbers. 4 6 are 24 and 4 4 are 16. 64 9 are, and we'll simplify here. 8 1 are, remaining is 72. 8 9 are, 8 1 are. And 6 4 3 are, 60 40 into minus 64. We'll get such a result. Here look at all the values. Here 4 9 are 36. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 minus 1 value is 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 minus 1 value 14. 14 plus 8. Then only one option is, when apply the unit digit method, then only one option is giving the last digit is unit digit is 2. That is answer is D. And go for the next. 216, it is a into, not plus. So 216 you can write. So 6 cube you can write 2 cube into 3 cube plus 2 to the power of 6, and 6 you can write 2 into 3, then 2 square into 3 square, and 2 to the power of 6 into 3 square into 3 cube into 1024, you can write 2 to the power of 10 by 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x. This is our question. And cancel the terms here. 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 6 will be cancelled. 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3 will be cancelled. 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 will be also cancelled. 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 5. Then 2 to the power of 5 plus value, 2 to the power of 5 minus value, both will be cancelled. Bases are equal, power should be added. 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Then x is equal to what is answer? 8. Our option is C. Next, 85 6 percentage of 25. I will take 25 percentage of 856. 800 25 percentage 200. 56 half value 28. 28 half value 14. It is equal to 214 plus 764 into 125 by 250 into 12. This is our question. Then 125 2s are and 2 12 are 6 times, and we'll add it. 6 4s are 24. 4 plus 4 8. Only option is contained the D. Look at the options. 6 4s are 24. Last digit is 4. 4 plus 4 8. Only one option is contained the unit digit is 8. That is our answer. Look it. 4028 divided by 4028 by 53 plus 9870 by 21 plus 4286 by 2 minus 590. This is our question, and we'll simplify the questions here. Then solve with 53 53 7 times. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. It is a 371, and 3 to 8 is required. It is a 6 times 76, and 21 how many times? 4 times, and 21 4s are 84. Remaining value is 40. So 147. It is a 7 times and 0. And look at here next. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. Here is also unit digits are different is there. Then 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 3 9. And option is what is the last digit is 9 is there, that is answer. Look at 6 and plus 0 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 3 9. 9 minus 0 value is 9. Only one option is contained, last digit unit digit is 9. That is our answer. Look at 66 percentage of 2500. I will write 25 percentage of 6600. Then 6600 half value 3300. Then 3300 half value 3000 half value is, so 1500 and 300 it is 1650, and minus 12 percentage of 2450. Then 12 percentage of 2450 will make it 12 percentage. I will write 6 percentage. So 12 percentage of 2450 directly will multiply. Other we can write 6 percentage of 245 double. 245 double 200 double is 400. 4900 and divided by 0.5. Divided by 0.5 means it is into 2, and plus 2025 it is equal to 45. This is our question to simplifying values. 6 2s are 12. 12 can be multiplied to 49. Here 12 9s are 108 and 10. 12 4s are 48. It is 58. And percentage wise 2 zeros will be cancelled, plus 45. And subtract the value, and here the getting the answer. 1650 500 will be removing, will get a 1150. From 1150 88 will be removed and add it again 45. So 5 minus 8 it is equal to 15 minus 8 7. Then what is the last option is 7. That is our answer. Then our option is first option 1147. And 7 and half minus 224 plus 35 square plus root of 3136 minus 196 percentage of 50. Look at 7 and half. You can write 7.5. Either you can write fraction also. So 7.5 minus 224 and plus 35 square value 1225 and plus 3136. Root of 3136 value here 56 minus 50 percentage of 196. 196 percentage of 50 they are given. We'll write 50 percentage of 196. So 100 half value is 50. 96 half value 48. It is equal to 98. And we'll simplify to getting an answer. Here minus 225 row removing from the 1225 will get 1001. 1001 plus 56. So 1057 minus 98 plus 7.5. For example, 100 is removed. Here is, look at 250, 957 will get, but 959 plus 7.5. So 959 plus 7.5, so we'll get 966.5. Next question. Keshav can row at the speed of 8 km per hour in still water. If river is running at the speed of 4 km per hour, then it takes 3 hours more time to go upstream, then go downstream. The distance, then find the overall distance we require. Distance purpose we need time and speed. So time is not given actually, speed is given actually. Look at down and up. Down speed is 12, up speed is 8 minus 4, 4. Then ratio is 12 is to 4. Then this is what? Speeds ratio. Then times ratio is equal to 4 1s are 4 3s are, it is a ratio is 1 is to 3. 1 to 3, what is the time is more? 2 parts time is more. 2 parts is equal to how many hours? 3 hours. 2 parts is equal to 3 hours means 1 part is equal to 1.5 and 3 parts is equal to 4.5. Then speed into time apply, we'll get a distance. 12 km per hour is going by 1.5 hours actually. Then 12 km per hour 1.5, 12 into 1.5, 18 km total distance. Either 4 into 4.5 also will getting a 18 kilometers. Next, 70th question. Market price of an article is 800 and a shopkeeper gives a discount of X percentage and sold it, the cost price of the article is 500. The ratio of the cost price and selling price is 25 to 25. Cost price is 25 and selling price is 24. We need market price. Look at here is 0 0 cancel, 50 half value 25, 80 half value 40, then mark value is 40. It is the cost price is 25. Here is I am writing 25, here is I am writing 40, and 25 and 40. Look at 40 rupees product sold out for 24 rupees. That means how many rupees discounted? 16 rupees discounted comparing to, here is discount value is required. Then find the X value comparing to 40. We need percentage multiply with 100. So 0 0 cancel, 4 4s are. How much percentage discounted? So 4 4s are 4 into 10, 40 percentage discounted. X value is 40 percentage. Next, 10 years before, the ratio of ages A and B is 13 is to 17. 13 is to 17. This is the 10 years before. Remember, 17 after, then their ages will 10 is to 11. And gap wise is not same, but here the after and before both are added, it should be equal to 27 years. The 27 years we make it equal. Then 13 is to 17, it is a 4 parts, and 10 is to 11, 1 part. 1 will be multiplied to opposite ratio, the 4 will be multiplied to opposite ratio. 13 is to 17 and 40 is to 44. The 40 is to 44, here is 4 will be multiplied to opposite ratio, 10 is to 11. And look at here, 17 to 44, 27 parts, and here is also 27 parts. 27 parts is equal to 27 years. Then it is a 10 years and it is a 17 years, total 27 years. 27 parts is equal to 27 years. We need the whose age? B age. We'll go for the B. B, 44 parts is equal to 44 years. But it is a ratio is given after the 17 years. From 44 years, 17 years will be removed. Here answer is C, 27 years. His actually his age is 27 years. The next question. 20 women can complete a piece of work in 12 days. 20 women complete a work in 12 days. And 24 children can complete a same work in 15 days. But we need 30 women and 18 children. 30 women is required. 20 women complete a work in 12 days. 10 women complete a work in 24 days. And 30 women complete a work in 8 days. 20 women complete a work in 12 days, 10 women complete a work in 24 days, 30 women complete a work in 8 days. Then number of persons will be increased, days will be decreased. 24 children complete a work in 15 days, and here is 6 children can complete a work in 24 become 6 divided by 4 and 60 days, 54 are, and we need 18 children complete a work in 20 days. And we need 30 women and 18 children complete a work in how many days? X can complete a work in 8 days, Y can complete a work in 20 days. That is a formula, xy by x plus y. 8 into 20 by 28, and 4 7s are 4 5s are 4 5s are not 8 5s are 4 5s are 20, and 8 5s are 40, 40 by 7. Our option is B. Next, 1/3 of a diagonal square is 3 root 2 units. Diagonal formula is a root 2, which is equal to 3 root 2, and root 2 cancel, 3 will be multiplied, side of a square is equal to 9 units. Then our option is D. Next, a car covers a journey 60 kilometer per hour in 7 hours. If the same distance to be covered in 4 hours, then what is the time will be completed? So 4 60s are 15, 15 7s are, then what should be the increase the speed? So the same distance is covered by 4 hours, then 15 sevens are 105, then 60 kilometer per hour and 105 kilometer per hour, then here our option is none of this. Next, in a 40 liter mixture, acid and alcohol ratio is 3:5. Initial mixture. How much acid should be added in this mixture to make the ratio of alcohol 4:5? You are adding extra acid. So here look at the ratio alcohol acid they are given. We are writing 5:4. Here the acid and here the alcohol. Look at acid extra you are adding, alcohol is not. That means alcohol should be equal. That's why we are multiplying here 4. Here is multiplying with 5. 12 and 20 and 25 and 20. Here look at 12 become a 25 means how many parts extra? 13 parts extra. Initial value is 32. 32 parts is equal 40 liters. Extra you added 13 parts. Then 13 by 32 into 40. What is the 13 parts? 13 parts is equal to what? 32 parts is equal to 40 liters. Extra you are added 13 parts. The 13 parts is equal to how many liters? It is equal to, when you simplify that, you will get a 16.25 liters. 77th question. 4 pipes A, B, C, D can fill a tank in 6 hours and 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours respectively. If pipe A is open 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, all 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour after, the pipes are going to start. We'll take the LCM for this, all the numbers. Here 6, 8, 10 and 12. And 6, 8 and 12 value is 120. Total tank capacity is 120. It is 20. Efficiency, it is a 15. It is a 12. It is a 10. Now, so first pipe is opened 7 o'clock, the last pipe is 10 o'clock, then first pipe to last pipe, how many hours is waiting? 7 to 10, 3 hours waiting. That means first pipe 20 liters per hour it's filling, it is waiting for 3 hours. And second pipe is open for 8 o'clock, 8 to 10 it is completed 2 hours. Third pipe is open for 9 o'clock, 9 to 10 is 1 hour. Then second pipe is opened by here, so 15 and third pipe is 12. Then overall how many liters are served? 23 is 60 and 15 to 30. 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 12, overall 1 or 2 liters completed. Remaining, the filling the tank capacity purpose, 18 liters are required. Then after the 10 o'clock, third pipe D pipe is also open and it is serving every 1 hour 10 liters, but we required only 18 liters. All are serving 57 liter per 60 minutes. 60 minutes 57 liters, but extra we required 18 liters. Approximately we'll take is, so how many liters here? 60 minutes and 57 liters. 60 minutes and 57 liters means approximately we'll take near to, till now how many hours completed? 3 plus, so 3 hours till now 10 o'clock, 3 hours, 3 hours plus extra minutes. How many minutes are required? Look at, only one option is available to finding answer. Then till now 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock plus extra minutes, not taking extra 1 hour, just 18 liters purpose. 57 liters 60 minutes means, then it is divided by 3, 19 liters, 19 liters will take 20 minutes. 19 liters, it is a 20 minutes, but we require 18 liters, that means less than 20 minutes. Only one option is available, less than 20 minutes, then only 19 minutes. Our option is A. Next, Samir walks 150 meters, the 78th question, 150 meters every day. Then how many kilometers will be walked? 3 weeks. 3 weeks means how many days? 21 days. 15 21s are 315. Our option is 3.15 kilometers. Meters convert into kilometers, will get decimal. Next, Anil sold an antique flower vase to Ashish. 18% is more than the cost price. Ashish paid 14868. Then what is the original cost price? Original cost price is 100. After the 18% is more means 118 into 14868. This is, we should simplify, 259 ja, 27 ja, 24 ja, 23 ja, 24 ja. Again we should simplify, 59 directly will calculate, will get a 12600. Our option is D. Next, Raja scored 84 marks in science, 57 marks in English and 67 marks social studies, 81 marks in mathematics and 78 marks in Hindi. Then overall how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the maximum marks of each subject were 100, what was overall percentage of marks? 500 into 100. Then 100, 100 cancel. This total value added and divided by 5 will get a clear answer. So here added the values 84 plus 80 and 80 plus 50, 130, 130 plus 60, 190, 190 plus 80, 270, 270 plus 70, 340. This value is 340. And next 4 plus 11, 11 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 19, 19 plus 8, 27. Then 27 added 367 by 5. 367 by 5. This is, we'll divide it. 5 7s are 35. Remaining is 17. So 5 3s are, then our answer is 73.4 answer.